Looking at in the more a little bit of we will be looking at the colors, how we are going to change the specific colors and how we are going to change the size of the labels that we are given. We'll be looking at that, and we'll be wrapping up the scatter plot because we just need the basic idea of the plot. We are not going to put a bunch line of codes in order to make it populated. So let's say here we have here the plot here. So here we'll be using, let's say we'll copy the same, and I think I remove recent one. So let's say we already covered in the recent video. So let's say we look at the here we look at the palette. So we look at the palette. Let's say we'll be looking at, let's say we put deep. So here the whole color changes, and if we look at that, it's showing us the colors in different types, and it can be done by using the palette here. So now after that we can also change the palette, and let's say if we put a cool warm, so it's already available in here, it's already available in, let's say, the Seaborn library built-in. If we put, let's say, muted, so it will show muted different colors. So if we put bright, so it will come bright. So let's say that's all, but what if you want to, yes, the next thing that we want to do is, let's say, assign the font size. So what the font size you want is, let's say you want the font size on Y label 15, and we'll copy the same and we'll paste it with all, because we need to write the exact the same. You just need to put the comma in and the comma here. So here the font size also increases, if you can see here. So now what if you want to put our own custom colors in all the three? Let's say if you want to put gold and put their, let's say, blue or etc. So what we are going to do here, we will be using the custom colors that already come within we can say the Seaborn. So let's say we'll put the custom colors and we will open parentheses. So let's say if we have first, so first we'll write brackets, we will put first, and then we want to give first a color name, so we will put the semicolon and we will put the brackets. So for first we are going to give a color, let's say red, so we'll copy the same, only just paste it again, the comma, and yes, now we will change, let's say put it to second, and now we will put that into third. So we have to look at the spellings. If it is capital, so we have to put the capital. Now here we are seeing here we are using bright here, so for that we will using palette is equal to custom colors. So now let's say, so here we are seeing that, so it's red, so now we need to make that, let's say gold, and let's say you want to make this yellow. So that's how we are going to use our own custom colors within the, you can say, within the plotting. And that's all for scatter plot, and we can customize each thing, and that's how scatter plot looks like. If we look at that, let's say if we have only, we can say, around 9 to 10 line of code in the whole scatter plot, we can edit everything. So that's how we're going to edit scatter plot, and we are going to work with Python in the most simplest way possible.